up, guys? It's Jazz and welcome back to the channel. I know you guys have been waiting for another review. So today, we're checking out the Vivo V30 Pro 5G. For the past years, we all know that Vivo has been pretty solid in giving us great cameras and sleek designs with their V series. And last year, they're back with the V30. And the best part is there's a Pro version here in the Philippines. I'm sure marami sa inyo ang excited sa camera nito. So stay tuned until the end where I'll talk about the price and kung sulit ba siya. So let's talk about it. Alam ko madalas naririnig natin yung term na best in its class. Pero honestly, this Vivo V30 Pro really deserves that title. This phone is really standing out, especially when it comes to the camera and performance. Let's talk about the design first. As usual, sobrang ganda pa rin ng box ng Vivo compared to the other cell phone brands. And pag binuksan mo siya, you can see, of course, the phone itself, along with its manual, the quick start guide, and the flash charger. You know, this one, subok ko na. Wala pang 40 minutes, wala pang 50 minutes, halos fully charged na yung empty na phone mo pag sinaksak mo. Lastly, of course, meron siyang panandot. Now, let's go right away to the phone itself. I've already put the case. Overall, the design is simple, refreshing. Vivo kept their signature thin profile na 7.5mm lang siya and 188 grams. Magaan siya and slick, hindi masyadong flashy. Plus, IP54 rating siya for splash and dust resistance, which is a nice bonus for a mid-range phone. Parang yung Samsung Galaxy A55, mayroong ganito din. So, one thing to mention, though its speaker, the V30 Pro has only one speaker at the bottom. Malakas naman siya, pero don't expect anything super immersive, especially if you're gaming. But honestly, most people use earphones naman, so okay lang. Now, let's talk about the camera, which is the highlight of this phone. Unlike the non-Pro, the V30 Pro has three cameras. The front camera is 50MP, and sa likod, you get 50MP main camera with Vivo's Bionic Spectrum Tech, which improves the color accuracy and clarity, and it's 25% clearer and 15% better in color reproduction. So the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are also 50MP. So marami kang options when shooting. Unlike the Vivo V29, the V30 Pro has a larger and softer square flash under the camera module. So this one. And it adjusts based on the lighting around you. Plus, meron na siyang Zeiss partnership. Kasi yung V30 wala. Yung V30 Pro, meron na siyang Zeiss partnership, which makes a huge difference sa results. The main camera gives you a clear, more detailed photos with accurate colors, and you can choose between Zeiss Natural or Vivid Texture. Mostly, I've been using the Zeiss Natural. So the telephoto lens offers ×2 optical zoom, which looks great without losing quality. I wish sana ×3 na lang, no? Pero still, impressive pa din. You can choose 4x zoom without sacrificing quality. Ang ganda rin ng portrait mode niya, especially sa ×1 and ×2 optical zoom. Speaking of low light, the 50MP ultra-wide camera performs well, though medyo blurry and soft yung images in darker settings. As for the front camera, it's 50MP, which is a huge upgrade compared to the 32MP on phones in this price range. So one cool feature of the camera app is that you can change the bokeh effect while you're browsing your photos in the gallery. You can tap anywhere to adjust focus and even change the aperture from 0.95 to 0.16. It's not a new feature, but it's really useful, especially yung ibang phones sa price range na to walang ganito. So when it comes to video, both front and rear cameras can shoot 4K at 60 FPS, which is amazing. The rear telephoto camera can shoot 4K too, but it's limited to 30 FPS. Now, let's talk about the performance. Alam ko, madali lang mag-judge ng performance ng phone based on its specs, but the real test is how it performs in real life. So the V30 Pro uses the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 8220 processor. Sure, last year pa yung chip, pero solid pa rin yung performance, especially when gaming. thanks to its effective cooling system. Meron din siyang 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. So, okay na okay siya for heavy use. Ito yung pinakamalaking ROM storage na nagkaroon na ka sa phone. So, battery life is great too. The 50,000 milliampere battery lasts almost a whole day. And with its 80 watts fast charging, you don't have to wait too long to fully charge it. Less than 50 minutes lang, fully charged na siya. The display is also pretty solid. The AMOLED screen is bright, vibrant. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes the scrolling super smooth. Vivo claims it to hit 280 nits when streaming HDR content. And in real life, the screen is easy to read even outdoors at lower brightness levels. So for the price, the Vivo V30 Pro is 34,999. It's a bit pricier than some competitors, but it offers features you won't find elsewhere. But actually, right now, sa price nila, last year pa yung price nito, but now, meron ata silang discount sa mga main stores nila na umaabot lang siya for almost 27,000 to 28,000. So you have to check it out. Even sa online, meron din atang mga big discount na ganun. Hindi ka na magsisisi dito kasi it has Zeiss optics, the Aura Light Flash, and autofocus on the main camera is really amazing. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung Aura Light. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. And the autofocus on the main camera is really amazing. If those things are important to you, then I'd say it's worth the price. Overall, if you have an older Vivo V series, which as for me, I have the Vivo V21e, which is almost 4 years old na, and you're thinking of upgrading, the V30 Pro is a solid choice. But that's it for today's video. I know na medyo mahaba, pero I hope na marami kayong napulot and nakatulungan ko kayong mag-decide sa next decision nyo pagdating nyo sa phone. If bago ka dito sa channel ko, don't forget to hit the subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads ko. And wag mo na rin ipagka-eto, hit the like button para matulungan mo akong ma-spread pa itong video na to. So that's it for now. I hope to see you again sa mga susunod kong vlogs, reviews, tutorials, covers, at kung ano-ano pa dito lang sa Just Things. Thank you so much. Bye!